In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the cloth in physics, and we're going to create something that looks like this. So to start off, I'm going to go ahead and just go to New, General, and I'm going to go to Add Mesh and do a plane, and then use the Move tool to pull this up a little bit. And if I press S to scale, don't be right in the center, be just slightly off to just make it a little bit bigger. And then I need to subdivide this. So to do that, I've got to go in Object Mode, Edit Mode, and then if you right mouse click on that plane while it's still selected and do Subdivide, and then down here at the bottom there's a little pop-up that shows up, so just make sure you open that up. And number of cuts, I'm going to throw in just 100. And then I can go back out of edit mode and go to object mode. And now I'm ready to play with the physics. So I'm going to go ahead and, while I have that selected, choose cloth. And then this object that it's going to be going over, I need to just choose collision. So and then once I have that, I can go ahead and press play. And it's a little bit slow the first time, but it should just kind of collide with that and be a nice little cloth.